Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard industrial techno in FL Studio. First, set your project tempo to a fast pace, typically between 135 and 145 beats per minute. This speed is crucial for the genre's intense energy. Next, select a powerful, punchy kick drum. It's the backbone of your track, so make it count. Finally, establish a solid 4-on-the-floor rhythm to maintain a consistent, driving feel throughout your production. Now, let's build out your drum layers. Layer several clap and snare samples to create a really thick and impactful sound that cuts through the mix. Introduce offbeat closed hi-hats and open hats to add rhythmic complexity and groove. Don't forget to incorporate unique industrial percussion elements, such as metallic hits, clangs, and Foley sounds, to give your track that raw, gritty texture. These details are key for an authentic industrial feel. Moving on to synths and effects. Design dark, distorted bass lines using either subtractive or FM synthesis to achieve that signature industrial growl. Craft aggressive, repetitive synth stabs, applying heavy saturation to make them really punch. Crucially, apply generous amounts of distortion, delay, and reverb across almost all your elements. These effects are essential for creating the vast, gritty, and intense soundscapes characteristic of hard industrial techno. For the final touches, focus on arrangement and mixing. Arrange your track with evolving loops, dynamic breakdowns, and impactful drops to keep listeners engaged. Pay close attention to your mix and master, aiming for maximum loudness and clarity without sacrificing punch. A well-mixed track will truly stand out. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more. It's a game changer for your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.